Well, hey guys, backyard scrapping here, and I just got home from work and stopped at my mailbox, and I got me a little package from none other than Willy the Coin Viking. And Willy, you didn't have to send me anything, my friend, but I am curious, so let us see what Willy has in store for us. You know what, I don't know if that's going to work on that this time. I might actually have to resort to scissors. And that's just not right. Let me get it. The scissors ain't going to do it either. Alright, let's get it with this. First, we have a little note. It says, "Hello, Dino. I can't thank you enough, my friend, for all those awesome proofs you sent me. It was very kind of you. Please accept this enclosed item as a small thank you for your kindness." Well, Willy, you did not have to do that. Love your channel and congrats on 400 plus subs. Thank you again, Willy the Coin Viking. And Willy, you really didn't have to do that, man. I mean, I have them things, and I've been wondering what I was going to do with them, and I saw that, and I know proofs can be hard and expensive to get. And alrighty, let's see what we got going on here. We got a couple of envelopes. Now that'll come in handy. So we'll go over here. Here, take that and make sure that doesn't get cut up. I'm going to put that in my safe with my other letters. The anticipation, the anticipation. Wow, man. Oh, that is awesome, Willy. You did not have to do that, brother. You really did not have to do that. Elizabeth II, $5, 2000, looks like 13. It is the bison, the Canada bison. That is awesome. Man, that is absolutely awesome. You did not have to do that, Willy. You really didn't. I appreciate it, I really do, but I didn't send those to you for to get something back. This is too much, my friend. That is really nice. Beautiful. Now, if that's that, my goodness, what did he put over here? I just wanted you to get your album full without it costing you an arm and a leg. I know what that is. I can feel it. It's a slab. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Another one, another reverse proof. I love these. And this one's an NGC slab. I love the reverse proofs. It says silver reverse proof set 2018. Silver 25 cent. Pictured rocks. First release proof 70. Reverse proof, San Francisco. Man, Willie, you did not have to do that. Oh, those are so beautiful. Wow. That is absolutely gorgeous. I think that's one of the prettiest proof coins that they've ever made, these reverse proofs. They should have started doing that years and years ago. That is absolute. Willie, you really outdid yourself here, my friend. Thank you so much. That is awesome. That is really something. Willie, thank you so much, man. That was, one of these would have been more than enough. Double the pleasure, double the fun. Willie, my friend, thank you so much. I really and truly appreciate that. Guys, if you have not subscribed to Willie the Coin Viking, you need to go subscribe to him right now. You need to leave this video. You need to go over there. I'm going to put his link down in the description area. If I can figure out how to do one of them little card things, I'm going to do one of them little card things. But you really do. You need to go over and subscribe to his channel. Some of his mail calls and his videos are absolutely hilarious. If you were ever a fan of Monty Python, you need to be a fan of Willie the Coin Viking. Brother, I appreciate this. Thank you so much for this. This is the second reverse proof that he has sent me, and this is awesome. I just can't believe that. Proof 70. Wow. And this beautiful bison. Gorgeous coin. Thanks again, Willie. And people, go over there, check him out, watch his videos. I mean, like I said, if you like Monty Python at all, you will love his videos. So go check him out. Willie, thanks again. Everybody, we will get back at you in another video. I'm actually going to take a couple close-up pictures of these and put them at the end of this video so everybody can really see how beautiful these are. Thank you very much. We will see you guys in the next video. Thanks, Willie. Have a good one, guys.